Yo, chill. Bro, I swear to God. Long time no see. I'm gonna die again, bro. I swear to God. Hello and welcome back to another episode of Blox here. Yes, your eyes do not deceive. It's correct. I'm playing this goddamn freaking game again because there is now a floppy disk. But first, I need to introduce the game. If you guys haven't been here, go check the first episode about this goddamn freaking game. It's been a long time since we played this game. So anyways, everything goes here. 1989 floppy part 1, made by Frisnees. Oh my God, man. Okay, so there is a floppy disk. So before you watch this video, please watch the first one. You will understand better because there's actually like lore into this. There's like what you like lore, like a storyline into this. But yeah, just go to my channel and I'm gonna flash the video up here. So yeah, because I'm gonna spoil this. Yeah, this will probably spoil the storyline. But anyways, yeah. So last time we viewed 2 VHS tapes about like a homicidal case, like a suicide case. We died, by the way. We died terribly in that goddamn freaking video. But now there's a floppy disk. So I really wonder what will be next. I really wonder what story will be next. Maybe it will be the same story, but like in a different perspective. Yeah, anyways, maybe it will be like a different perspective. Maybe it will be like a different story. But like, oh my God, I'm excited. I'm excited for the floppy disk, man. Jeez. Okay, so I'm probably gonna be skipping ahead. I'll just like update it if there's like any video, anything up in here. So, yep, just gonna. We're back. We're so back. Oh, what? Where's the floppy? Hey, this is the floppy. Tape 1. Insania. Here it is. Insania. Oh, here it is. I wonder what this is. Okay. Here we go. Here we go, guys. Here we go. I'm hyped, man. I'm hyped. Oh my God. I'm so hyped. Okay, let's get it. 3, 2, 1. I'm scared. What's this? How does one achieve their dream? Hold on, this is too low. To achieve your dream, what does one do first? You wake up. Hours after search. I need to get out of here. Whoa! Wait, this is following the store. Oh, heck no! Where's it go? What the frick? Oh, we're escaping. Oh, I need to. What? Where'd I go? I can't see the arrow. Oh, there. Got it. Okay. Chill. Breathe, bro. Breathe, bro. What the hell is that? What has he done to you? You poor thing. Do you remember your name? Oh, heck no, bro. Do you even realize that you're no longer alive? April 24, 1995, Rockwood, Washington. The recording is part of an ongoing investigation of the disappearance of Archie Lettington, age 7. The boy was reported missing. Oh, heck no. Oh, God. Oh, my God. At 1:47 a.m., 5 hours into the search, a volunteer unit discovered the abandoned structure located in southeast of the town, just outside the densely packed. I swear to God, bro. I'm gonna tweak again, bro. Upon further inspection, a concealed entrance was located obscured by snow near the rear of the cabin. What? Footage and evidence from the site were currently under review. End of recording. Okay. What is? I'm tweaking right now. Hold on. I'm tweaking right now. I'm actually tweaking. Someone just entered the room. Hold on. Okay. So you hear your parents arguing again. It ruined your mood. Go to the bedroom. I got you. Oh, I'm gonna go to the bedroom. Sure. Go to sleep. Got you. I'm gonna sleep off tonight. I can't sleep. Wait, didn't he go like missing? I can't sleep. I think I'm being watched. What do you mean? I think what? I'm weakened right now, bruh. Hold on. Okay. Where do I go? This thing. And then what? I go where? So what now? Do I just? Where's the arrow, man? Where is the arrow? If that's the whole game, I can't click. Oh, there. Oh my God, this arrow is so invisible. It's not even visible. Hold on, I'm trying to locate where this arrow is. Can't seem to find it. Can't seem to. Huh? Where? Where do I go? Oh, there. TV. It's a house and trees. It's all you have. Come to me. You'll get everything. Yo, chill. Dad? Sleep. What? You felt nostalgia. What? Where? Yo. Hello, young man. What the frick? Yo, this guy's definitely a pedophile. Have you seen my father? Gang. Oh, yes. He went through the woods. Oh, heck no, bro. You want me to lead you to him? I got you, man. Yeah, sure. I want to see him. Because, I lost him because, the milk. Follow me. Got you. So let's get it. I'm gonna follow him, you know? Why not follow a stranger, you know what I'm saying? Oh, this is some Minnesotan house, man. Okay. Oh, God. What? Yo, chill. Oh! Yo! What? She dying? Yo, chill. I think she's dead, bro. Oh, she died. I think she's dead. Okay, I think that has to be it. I think the whole game was unfinished. So, I mean, the whole floppy disk was unfinished. Okay, if this floppy disk was from 1989, maybe that's why goddamn freaking died. Um, but anyways, yeah, that was really good. That was a really good goddamn freaking floppy disk. That really did creep me out there. I was tweaking half the time. There was a little bit of some bugs here and there, but it's alright. It's alright. It's actually pretty good. Not gonna lie. But yeah, there it is, guys. Everything Goes Here 1989 by Friznees. I would love to see more updates in the future. Anyways, that's it. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.